Hi, this is John Leone. I'm just giving a big showcase for Essential Grocer Beta 2. It's my software that is for grocery lists. It's open source and freeware on the Windows Store. It runs on anything that runs Windows 10 basically. And you can find it under the store either under Essential Grocer, under John Leone, under grocery lists, under shopping list. And let me see, let's dig into this a little. The first thing you want to look at is the color blocking. My wife was a children's wear clothing designer, and the most negative comment I got, "You're colorblind, why do you pick these colors?" So she picked out some colors for me, and she said put one here, one there, one there, one there, and it all works. And this is the full screen mode for Windows, so you have both menus here, and then there are three different width height combinations. This is the slim width for Windows or other devices that are still fairly large, and then you can even go down. This is the phone where it trims the length, and not only is the menu here is scrollable, because we had a lot more categories, and but then say you pick something like that, this automatically scrolls too as need be. The big technical thing that makes this all very usable is this button up here, add, and for produce, let's add sauerkraut. I have no idea if you spell that right. And now it's on the list, spelled wrong probably. But anyway, it goes here, and then like in meat, let's add some hot dogs, and then in condiments, we don't need relish, so let's add some relish, and I also like red hot. So then we'll put the relish and the red hot, and that'll be our thing. Of course, you gotta add the hot dogs themselves. We add them here. Oh, add it twice, but we can get rid of it like that. And what we want to do is save this list, and I had one already, and I'll save it over that. And you know, this is all Windows 10 stuff. It does it built in. And then let's clear this list and make something like staples, yogurt, Greek yogurt, skim milk, and some eggs, and maybe some sour cream. And let's say we got cereal. I like cream of wheat, and that wasn't in there, but now it is. And we add that. Now these are our staples, and of course you would embellish it more, but then Saturday morning you're doing your groceries. Well, first let's save it. Save it as staples. Save. Now everything's saved, so we'll just start a new list, and then again, it's Saturday morning, sometimes Sunday morning, whenever you do your list. It could be Wednesday afternoon, it doesn't matter. And you would start with your staples, because you need them each time, and this would start your list. And you say, hey, I'm going to move for hot dogs. So you have this recipe here for hot dogs, and you open it, and it gets appended. Now you can do this with multiple recipes. You could have one for strawberry shortcake, hot dogs, shrimp fried diavolo, anything. And you just make all these little sub lists, and then you mix and match, and you fill up your list right away. Now, email and print are next on the hit parade, but that's going to be in beta 3. That's about it for this video. To review, we have the color blocking. The sizing has been updated. This menu has been updated. And this button has been updated. Of note, When you pick cheese, it picks add to cheese. Pick deli, it picks add to deli. For that reason, you only have to type in a description. And of course, you have the ability to save the master list, which you should do frequently because it's beta 2, and it works just like the other list, and you just save it like that. And if you want to, hold on a second. Just one final thing. I wanted to show you the actual list structure itself. This one is the master list that is read into the program when it first starts. And as you can see, it's not that extensive, but it's quite a bit of stuff. And the initial stuff we did by hand because we didn't have the ability to add to the master list. But what it basically is, the root element is supermarket, and then we have products, and they have elements called description, UPC code, and aisle. Aisle is the categories you see. This one's produce. The UPC code, initially I was just generating sequential numbers, and then when I did the add function, I made it random numbers generated. It could become barcodes of products, but that would probably be version 3. We're only up to beta 2, never mind version 1. But it's built with those kind of things in mind. And that's about it for today. And thanks for your time.